Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Netlify account to start deploying websites and applications, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the account verification process. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Netlify website. Click on the Sign Up button if you haven't created an account yet, or log in with your existing credentials. Step 2. After signing up, Netlify will automatically send a verification email to the address you provided during registration. Check your email inbox for this verification message. Step 3. Open the verification email from Netlify. The subject line typically reads, "Verify your Netlify account" or similar. Step 4. Click on the verification link provided in the email. This will redirect you to the Netlify website and automatically verify your email address. Step 5. Once redirected, you may be asked to complete your profile by providing additional information such as your name or company details. Fill in the required fields. Step 6. If prompted, set up two-factor authentication for enhanced account security. This is optional but highly recommended. Step 7. After completing these steps, your Netlify account will be fully verified and ready to use. You can now start deploying your projects. Step 8. Check your account dashboard to confirm that the verification status shows as complete and that all features are accessible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.